Top 5 down payment assistance programs in Los Angeles. Let's talk about number 1. The Los Angeles City LIPA-MIPA program, also known as the Low Income Purchase Assistance and the Moderate Income Purchase Assistance program. Here are a few details. You can get up to $161,000 if you're considered low income. You can get up to $115,000 if you're moderate income, and if your income is slightly above that, you could get up to $90,000 to help you towards your down payment and closing costs. The credit score is a 660 minimum. It can be layered with an FHA or conventional loan. Now, if you're looking to buy a property and you're concerned about the monthly payment, the biggest benefit to LIPA-MIPA is the amount of money they're giving you towards your purchase, because that can eliminate your mortgage insurance. It'll reduce the amount you pay monthly, and it can be used to help you basically reduce your interest rate. You only have a 1% borrower contribution on this program. So if you're purchasing, let's say, a condo for $500,000, you only need $5,000. Purchasing a house for $800,000, you only need $8,000, right? Now, it does go by the household size. So the income limits are depending upon the people in your household. So if you have anybody over the age of 18 that lives in your household, they get factored into this income limits if they have a job. If they don't have a job, they have to sign a form saying they earn no income. But if they do have a job, their income gets factored into the income limits regardless if they're on the loan or not, okay? It does require first-time homebuyer education, and it also requires you to be a first-time home buyer. The way that the repayment works is if you were to take, let's say, 20% from this program to help you purchase a house of $500,000, that would make your loan now $400,000, because it would be giving you about $100,000 towards your down payment in that example, right? You would owe LA City back 20% of the appreciation of the house. So the way that that works, you buy a house for $500,000. Let's say you're going to sell it for $600,000. That means that it appreciated $100,000. You owe the LA City back 20% of the appreciation, which would be $20,000, and you get to keep the other $80,000 plus whatever you paid into the mortgage. Don't forget, you have to pay back the initial amount they gave you, which is $100,000, but you weren't paying on that anyway. It's essentially a silent second that sits on title, and your repayable triggers, or if you sell the house, transfer title to the property, of course go into default on the property, or look to refinance to get cash out, okay? It's only usable within the city of Los Angeles, so the flyer that you're looking at, the pink areas are what we're talking about. That does not include Santa Clarita, does not include Santa Monica, Inglewood, Culver City. Those are its own individual cities. We have other programs for that. But when it comes down to getting the most amount of money to help you afford the property, LA City is one of the best down payment assistance programs that they have available. Now, funds are limited. We do have some funds becoming available next week, only for about 10 to 15 people. Normally, this program gets funds every year towards the beginning of the year. So if you're looking to purchase something within a new year, it's time to start getting your applications in, lining this up, so when funds are available, you can be in escrow and that you're already pre-approved to help you close. Top 5 down payment assistance programs. See you soon.